Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize a store on Squarespace for gadgets and Gizmos business easy and quick. So first type Squarespace on the search. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, you can get started from here, and you can create your website and you can see templates from here. So let's go with this. So here you can whether you need a portfolio website, an online store, or a personal blog, you can use Squarespace. uh, Customizable and responsive website templates to get started. So here you can choose the type of your business. You can make it online store or scheduling courses or services or membership, whatever you want. So uh, the gadget and the Gizmos business is not here, so you can build your own templates. So let's get started from here. Now let's go. So wait a few seconds for creating the dashboard. Here you can add your site name, type any name you want. It might be related to the business, the gadget and gizmos business. So let's continue. Here you can build your home page. So you can choose the intro section. Also you can choose here the product section and the services section, the about section. You can choose the social section and the forms section, and the last is the footer section. So let's continue. You can here add the page to your site. Here you can choose the color theme of your website, so I'm gonna go with this. Let's continue. Now you can choose the fonts, and let's finish this. Now wait a few seconds. So here you can personalize your homepage text faster than ever. You can choose if you wanna continue or if you wanna skip. I'm gonna skip this. So this is your homepage website. You can edit the views here. You can make it like a desktop view like this or like a mobile view. So you can here edit the site size. Here you can edit the fonts. First we have the fonts. You can edit here the fonts. So you can change the fonts back. You can switch it. You can edit here the page size. You can change the heading and the paragraphs. You can edit the headings and the paragraphs and the buttons. You can reset the fonts back. So here you can edit the colors. You can customize your themes here. I'm gonna go with this. So here you can change the header. You can change the color theme of the site title and the navigation links, and also the theme color of the section background, the background overlay, the inset border, and the section divider stroke. You can also edit the colors of these, the headings and the paragraphs, the text highlights, and the background color. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the next, to the animations. So here you can change the style. You can set none or fade or scale or slide or clip or flex, or if you want to change the speed you can make it medium or slow or fast, so whatever you want. That's it. Now let's move on to the spacing. So here you can change the page width max. You can also change the site margin, and you can reset size to defaults. So that's it. Now let's move on to the buttons. So the buttons here, you can edit the text, the shape, and the outline, and also you can apply to all button types. You can edit the resist button styles. You can edit the secondary buttons, the same thing here, and the tertiary buttons. So that's it. Now let's move on to the image blocks. Here you can edit the text alignment, the content width, you can edit the content width here, and you can edit the title separation, the button separation. Here you can edit the content position, the text alignments, the image width, and the image separation, so whatever you want. So that's it. Now let's close this, and let's here you can edit your website here. So first, here we have the site header. You can edit the site header, you can change the site title and the logo. Just click here and you can change it here. You can add your logo image. You can edit it from your library, and here you can add the mobile logo image. So that's it. So let's move on now to the elements. So here you can turn this on, the button. You can change the text on the label. You can add the link here. You can turn this on, the social links. You can edit the social links. Here you can edit the social icon size, and here you can edit the border. You can switch the language, and you can edit the icon style. Here you can turn this on, the cart. You can edit the cart icon size, and here you can turn this on, shows zero in carts. So that's it. You can edit the style here. You can choose dynamic or theme or gradient or solid, whatever you want. So that's it. Now let's move on. Here you can turn this on, fixed position. So I'm gonna just keep it like this. Here, if you want to add something new on your homepage, just click here, add section, and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your homepage from here. So that's it. Here you can edit the text. You can duplicate it from here, you can delete it from here, and here you can edit it. You can edit the text form, and if you want to delete it from here. So that's it. You can drag it and put it at any place. So here you can edit the button label. You can change this, the primary, and also you can edit the text on it. You can add the link here. So you can duplicate it from here. If you want to edit some section, just click here and you can edit it. You can edit the height, the fill screen, the alignments. You can turn this on, the divider. So that's it. You can duplicate the section from here. You can save the section from here. You can move it up or move it down. You can also remove it from here. So if you want to add an image or text, just click here, add block, and you can add the text or image or video or button or audio, whatever you want to add. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, the services section. So let's delete this image. You can add image from the library or from free image. So let's put it here. Now click here and you can select it from your library or from free image from here. For example, gadgets and Gizmos business. So for example, I'm gonna choose one of these. So I'm gonna choose this. Just for example, you can choose whatever you want. So here you can make it larger or smaller, whatever you want. So I'm gonna make it larger a little bit. So this is your image. You can change the text here, you can change the text here, also the label, you can change it, you can change the text. So that's it. Here you can edit this. Just click here and you can delete this, the content. You can add the item here. So that's it. So if you're done from design your website and customize your price, and after you choose the way to get paid, now after this just click here save, and start selling start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. That's how to customize and create your websites for gadget and Gizmos business on Squarespace. easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.